Florida.
Aha, my new setup works!
Calhoun County in Florida until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:48.
Darn it! I almost got a perfect activation.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Curse this! Curse this! And curse that!
Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some
Holy crap, flash flood warning.
experience flash flooding include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Callaway.
Thanks, Heavy Rain! I love you!
Tyndall Air Force Base, Parker,
Psych.
Brandonville, College Station, Bay Harbor, Cedar Grove, Millville, Dorado Park, Bayou George, Beacon Beach, Machette,
Beacon Beach? That being a teacher would love being there.
Flowers. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I need to move this.
Excessive runoff
Oh, it's
and
dead.
Rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
That's probably what I did now.
streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying
Okay, there.
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Calhoun, Florida.
Holy crap.
You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida.
I feel like something's still on, but I don't know what it is. Let's see.
Southeastern Bay County in Florida. Southwestern Calhoun County in Florida until 2:45 p.m.
Okay. That kind of scared me. So, yeah. Oh, shoot.
And shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source.
We haven't gotten one of these in forever.